Thanks for coming back to my channel, y'all. Thanks for coming back to my channel. It's your girl NIZZYMAC, and I'm back on the track. Thanks for dropping in, y'all. I got a bomb wig review for y'all. This one is giving. It's serving the girls. Like, I'm really feeling this one. I don't know if I'll be wearing any other wig except for this one, because what? Wow. If you guys are new to my channel, hey, how are you? Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that your girl posts, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into this wig review, y'all. This is gonna be not short, sweet, and to the point, because I have some key points and takeaways about this wig. If you are interested in getting it, please make sure you watch this from front to end so you can know everything about this one. Off jump, I'm giving this unit a 9 out of 10. I was gonna give it 10. I'll tell y'all why, but I'm giving it a 9 out of 10, okay? 9.5, honestly, okay? So let me pull up everything about this unit, y'all. This unit is from ILikeHair, you guys. I have worked with this company before. They sent me like some little blonde hair that you guys like went crazy over, and I did too. They have like super custom made, just bomb units. So this unit is from ILikeHair, you guys. This is their Kinky Edges HD Lace Frontal with Ventilated Curly Wig. I have this in the 22 inches. And look, I'm looking on the website. It says only 17 in stock. Please hurry. Please hurry. But no, for this one retails for $345. You guys, it is so worth it if you have a little bit of coin to spend. Also, it looks like they got a little coupon code on top of here that are updating. So yeah, it looks like $40 off. So yeah, this will bring this down to $300. So I mean, y'all check this one out. So I'm gonna tell y'all, this is 100% virgin hair from one donor. And I mean, honestly, it feels like it. Like, the hair is super soft. The whole thing matches, like the frontal and the hair matches, and it feels like it came from one person. I don't know. That's like so weird to say that I'm wearing somebody else's hair, but like honestly, like that's what it feels like. It's 180 density. The density is 180. This is a 13x4, you guys, so you do get 4 inches of parting area. And then, you know, from ear to ear, this is HD lace, you guys. HD lace, and they did go ahead and ventilate some little curly baby hairs on here. I love this because I don't have to swoop and dupe and everything. And you can wear this glueless, y'all. Like, I really am impressed, okay? It says this specific circumference is 22.5. It fit perfectly, like perfectly. I always thought I was a 23, but I might be a 22.5 because I had no issues. I only had to chop off just like from here to here, just because like that's how my hairline is. But y'all, this is everything it needs to be. Like I said in the beginning, I give it a 9.5 out of 10 because I had to bleach the knots. The knots don't come bleached on this one, which like what the heck. But you know, I did go ahead and do it, and I will say that I have been like over bleaching the knots because I like the way that it looks when the knots are over bleached. I saw somebody on TikTok say that, and I was like, you know, when the knots are over bleached, it makes the under part like brown. You know what I'm saying? It's just giving. So I did go ahead and bleach these on my own. I do have a few tutorials up on my channel. I'll link those below on how I done it. Same thing, different. Hey! Same thing, different day, y'all. Like, bomb. So the hair is just giving. Like, it's really kinky curly. I've been playing with this front part. That's why it's a little bit more poofier than the rest of the hair. But as you guys can see, the curl pattern on this hair is gorgeous. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this hair at all. Like, there was no cons. No cons, but except for it not being bleached, but like that's a personal preference and it doesn't need to be, but I promise you it looks way better, okay? This is hyper realistic, you guys. This looks very natural and like I have nothing bad to say. Of course, I'm gonna show you guys the tutorial how I style and install this unit straight out of the box, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Also, let me know what you guys think of the whole kinky edges, nappy edges whole thing. Let me know down in the comments box, because I'm definitely a fan of this and you guys should definitely be too, because it's giving, okay? It's giving. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. And as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.